Child. Alright, so I just asked God, I'm like, what do I talk about? I need to make a video. But I'm not exactly sure what I should talk about. And then I like look over and I decided to take my eye drops. This isn't actually Visine. It's like a concoction of raspberry leaves and rose leaves. So basically that kind of inspired me to make a video on how I've been healing my eyesight. And it's so funny. It's like sometimes I forget about like how amazing I am. And I mean that in the most like humble way, because honestly, like I feel like self-doubt can sometimes like start to I see our thoughts and like the way we think about ourselves as clouds. And sometimes we can just like clear some clouds out because those clouds are from when we were really little, or someone told us something about ourselves and we accepted it as our truth. And other clouds are clouds that like are affirmations. Like for example, I have over there I just have affirmations all over my room. This nearest one is right over there. I'm over here using the cursor as if you can see where my cursor is, but it's right there. And it says, I am worthy of my 2-bedroom new apartment. I am worthy of self-confidence. I am worthy of self-respect. I am worthy of financial security. Thank you, God, for supplying me with this stuff. Peace, love, and lots of plus signs. Because I use symbolism because my subconscious mind understands symbolisms. Anyway, so yeah, sometimes like these negative things can like come over us, and we really just have to dismiss it and remember our greatness and remember like why we actually are successful, why we are beautiful, and like why we're just great people in general. Like, are you funny? Are you always making your friends laugh? Like, you know, we really have to just start thinking about these things. And like something that I really pride myself in, like reminding myself like, oh girl, you did that, is the fact that I literally can see. I can see now. I can see. Like I can see clearly. And that is the most powerful thing that I've done so far, honestly, is like healing my eyesight. Like the simple fact that, perfect example, the simple fact that I can turn around and read that in the first place. Whereas before, and then there's also a note card across from me right there, like on that wall, and just the simple fact that I can like read these things now. Like, mind you, I don't have 20/20 vision yet because I've only been on this journey of holistic eyesight like healing for the past 2 years, definitely since 2017. I think I forget the exact, not this 2017, it was 2016. I think like February 2016. So it's been, wow, almost 3 years. Wait, no, 16, boom. Yeah, almost 3 years. That's amazing. Anyway, so, wait, I might be off on that date. I'm not exactly sure when I first started, but when I remember, I'll like let y'all know if y'all want to know exactly. But it's been around 2-3 years basically, and like now I'm just like trying to think, okay, what do y'all need to know now? Like, okay, so maybe how. That's usually how, like, when people are open-minded enough to, because like when I first started like healing my eyesight, I was in Costa Rica at the time, and I would tell the people that I was there with, I would be like, yo, like, did you know you could heal your eyesight? Like, I would tell people that were wearing glasses, because I used to wear glasses, and I had this realization as I was wearing glasses. I was just like, so yeah, maybe that's the first thing. So how did I realize this? Well, I was trying to like, I was in school, my junior year of college, and I had all my papers on my desk, like laid out on my desk. I was learning Spanish at the time because I was in Costa Rica, and I had there were poems, Spanish poems, and I just wanted them all. It was 6 of them. I just wanted them spread out on my desk. Because at that time I was learning about my subconscious mind and how we take in information, like even if we're not consciously aware of it, if there's like symbols, and that's why, you know, billboards are a thing. Even if you don't look directly at the billboard, you're driving past it and that's an image and it's being imprinted in your brain. So I know the power of that, or I was learning the power of that at the time. So I just wanted it all just laid out because I want Spanish words all over me, you know, like let me start learning. That was my #1 goal being in Costa Rica. My entire year I was there. And so I had them laid out on the table, and I was just like, wait a second. I can't see. Like, there was like the frame. The frame was literally blocking some of the words. And I was just like, that's in that moment. And it was something so small, but like, I just wanted to be able to see all of them. And I was just like, what are these? Like, I took them out in that moment and I was just thinking like, can I, like, what is this? Like, why do I have this? Like, and I don't remember exactly why. I must have been curing or like already kind of working on holistic or just like eating healthy and just like healing your body with the power of the mind. Like, I just like questioned in that moment, is it possible for me to heal my eyesight with my mind? Like, is there a natural way to do this? Because these aren't natural. And so like, I went home on that day and I Googled it, and I was on YouTube because YouTube was my best friend at that time. And I just discovered this guy called Nathan, and in the Bates method, basically. So Nathan is a teacher, and I forget what state he's from, but somewhere in the United States. And he had this course, and he would just teach people about how to cure their eyesight, and teach people about like how he discovered it and his journey. And him and I, like, just, that's just the way the universe works. And like, there was just a lot of synchronicities because he started his vision healing when he was my age too. He was like 21 or 22. And he was studying in Iceland, or he was studying abroad somewhere too, just like how I was studying abroad. So I just thought that was really cool. And he just ended up teaching me, like, he had a course, and I paid for the course and started learning how to heal my eyesight, you know? And I'm going to make a part 2 to this video because I don't want it to get too long. But I'll just say that before I go into how you can actually start curing your eyesight, I'll just say that, yes, it is possible. Yes, I have done it. Yes, I see like, I can drive at night. I can drive, like, obviously during the day. I love the sun. I don't have a fear of the sun anymore. You can clearly see, like, some people would just be like, no. When in actuality, like, this vitamin D that we are getting from the sun, like, the sun is like the biggest source of energy. Like, besides if you're just like meditating and visualizing being connected to God, the sun is like the second best thing. You know, like, that's like, that provides energy and life to everything, to nutrients to everything. So like, why would we be excluded from that? Like, how would it be? Like, of course, everything in moderation, but the way people are these days, they want to have sunglasses anytime they're in the sun. They want to, like, you know, wear sunscreen anytime they're in the, you know, like, cut it. Not time out, cut it. So that's just kind of what now I just, you know, just a lot has changed about my entire perspective around the sun, around my eyesight, what it does for me. I'm much more grateful for my eyesight, and it's just a lot of beauty that comes with healing your eyes. And I love talking about it because it's just, I just feel like we've been bamboozled. Like, there's all these people walking around with glasses and contacts, and like, when I wore contacts, it would irritate oh my gosh. Occasionally, like, they would either flip or like something would happen, get dust in there, and it would just be the most painful thing ever. And I'm just walking around like, oh my gosh, you know, like, at school, like, that's just out. And same with glasses, you know, like, it's literally, there's an obstruction of your vision. Like, you're blocking certain things. You're not really connecting with people. Like, there's literally something in between you and this person. Like, your eyes are the windows to the soul, right? So why do you want literally a filter into your soul, blocking you from reaching the soul of somebody else? Like, I just really started thinking about it on a deeper level. I really started to question it, because when we get glasses, we're not in that mode to be like, we're just not questioning it, especially because we see everyone around it. We just normalize it as if it's normal. But like, what other animals in the animal kingdom are walking around with stunted shades and glasses? Nobody. None. So that's all for this video. I'm gonna post, I'm gonna just keep posting, because I proposed how, like, I told some people at this, like, one seminar when we were introducing ourselves, and I just told them, like, yeah, my name's Alexis, like, and I don't need these glasses. I'm just wearing them to look smarter. And then people were just like, oh my God, what did you do? And people were so interested. So I'm gonna run with that and post some more videos. So like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if you wanna, like, you know, hear more about what's going on with that, because I love to teach. That's why I have a YouTube channel. I love to share this information. So I'm going to share it with y'all. And yeah, peace, love, and beauty and abundance. Thank you for watching.